I'm about to risk my life, bruh. I am about to risk my life doing a POV drive. Oh my god, bro. I'll be lying to you. What? I am freaking scared, bro. 6 in the morning. POV drive in the scat. Bro. It is freaking 6 in the morning. Oh my god. Do y'all boys see this? It's raining so bad. It is your boy Carlos bringing y'all another video. I mean, it speaks for itself. We're doing a POV drive in the thunder, in the rain, bro. It's literally 6 in the morning, guys. I have not slept. I kid you not, guys, I have not slept. Grind don't stop, bro. This is what you call real grinding, bro. I was up all night editing my video. Then it all of a sudden started freaking pouring rain. I don't think y'all boys get this. It's bad. I'm literally risking my life for this. Oh god, bro, there's another car on the road. It's a Sunday, it's raining hard. There might be drunk people out. It's 6 in the morning. This is not good. But like I said, bro, grind don't stop. Woo! Grind don't stop bringing out the banger content for you guys. Oh, quick little pull in the freaking heavy rain and thunder. Y'all boys, please, if y'all are viewing this video, I made it home safe, because that's all that matters, bro. First of all, I just want to say thank y'all for the endless support, endless love and positivity that y'all been showing on the channel day in and day out. I thank y'all guys. Truly, y'all mean the world to me. Oh my god. The boat, the boat in freaking action. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, this is horrible. This is horrible. Oh shoot. Bro, I hope the boat doesn't get freaking flooded or anything like that, bro. Oh my god. Jesus. This is the worst rain I've ever drove in. I don't know how people are outside, bro. Like, are they going to their jobs? Because if they, bro, that kind of sucks. I'm gonna do a little quick pool. Okay, that's it. That wasn't even a pool, bro. Oh my god, I can't see nothing. Oh my god. Trust y'all boys are enjoying the video, bro. Hit that subscribe button, because I'm freaking risking my life out here for this content, bruh. Just got done editing one of my videos. Now I'm shooting another video at 6 in the morning, bro. I'm literally probably not gonna sleep tonight, bro. So smash that like button for your boy, bro. This is low-key calming but scary at the same time, bro. I will not lie to y'all boys. Woo! Dog. It's kind of creepy. Like, low-key, it's kind of creepy. For any of my Scat Pack boys out there, or any of my boys that know what type of headers and where from should I get them. I know I need to get long tube headers, but I just don't know from who and from where. Bro, let's enter here. Oh my god, this is horrible. It's kind of creepy at the same time, bruh. Like, do y'all find this creepy, or am I just tripping? Or is this peaceful to y'all boys? Ooh, no, don't. I don't know if the GoPro picks that up, but that was bruh. Like, that's creepy, bro. That's like the back rooms over there, bro. I hope the GoPro picks that up. Chill, big fella, chill. Woo. Oh my god. Oh no. We need to be careful because the car is not too low, but like, you know, we don't want to get no water damage, bro. I'm scared. Kind of feels like y'all boys are in here. Imagine 1,000+ of y'all in here. We all freaking like a freaking clown car. Dude, I would find this peaceful if I had someone else with me in the car right now. Bruh, I could barely see a thing right now. I'm in the middle of the freaking road. Yeah, that's how we do it. Oh my god. Look, let's sit here for a little minute. Hold on, let's open this a little. Oh shoot! Barely any, not even any rain comes in here. Hey, this is peaceful, bro. Low key. Hey, y'all boys trying to go to the back seat? Y'all boys trying to go to the back seat, huh?
What do you mean by that?
Needless to say, bro, I hope you boys enjoyed today's video. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Y'all boys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for your boy. Literally 6:30 in the morning, bro. What other YouTuber is doing this at 6:30 in the morning? I'm just saying, bro, we're gonna be on top soon. Hope you boys enjoyed the video, but it's your boy Carlos, and I'm out. Peace.